Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to talk about something crucial, how to actually store your seed phrase. I review the top hardware wallets here all the time, but every now and then I feel that I need to remind you that there is one thing more important than the wallet device, and that's the seed of that wallet, the recovery phrase, mnemonic phrase, whatever you want to call it. When it comes to storing your seed long term, nothing beats metal. So I store my seeds on metal plates. I've also reviewed many of them here, but I do have my favorites, and I just received my second Ellipal seed phrase steel plate. And that should tell you that I actually like and use and rely on this product. When you're managing your different crypto accounts, having a robust, standardized security solution is essential, and this plate is currently my top choice. Why? Let's dive into it. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner with myself, OJ, crypto analyst and investor for the last 10 years, since 2016. So we all know the mantra, not your keys, not your crypto, right? And what is the most direct way to your private key? What stands between you, your private key, and an attacker? The seed phrase. It's the easiest way to steal your crypto. If anyone just lays eyes or their hands on your seed phrase, your crypto can be gone in seconds. And the hardware wallet does a good job of keeping your private keys secret and inextractable. But how well you store and protect your seed phrase depends entirely on you. Fail to do a good job at it and you can lose access to your crypto forever. Clearly, it needs to be protected by something that is built for the long haul. When we commit to self-custody, we take on the responsibility of being our own bank, and that requires genuine disaster preparedness. Most people still back up their seed on paper storage, but think about it. The real-world risks, fires, floods, hurricanes, even just humidity over years and decades. During the terrible California wildfires last year, we heard stories of people who lost significant amounts of crypto because their paper storage was all burnt. Entire houses were destroyed completely by the heat and the flames. Paper simply doesn't hold up. For assets that you plan to hold for years, you need fireproof and waterproof metal protection. So let's talk about the specifics. Well, this Ellipal metal steel plate is constructed from 316 stainless steel. This isn't your average material. It's actually referred to as marine grade steel because of its exceptional resistance to corrosion, rust and acid. But the critical number is its fire resistance. 316 steel can handle temperatures exceeding 1400 degrees Celsius. That's 2500 Fahrenheit. Considering that the average house fire burns at around 600 degrees Celsius to 800, well, this plate is literally designed to survive a total loss event. It provides genuine fireproof and waterproof protection, meaning that even if your home is completely destroyed, your most valuable key will remain intact. And if you're asking what good is this without the hardware wallet device, well, easy. Import this seed into any new hardware wallet device that you can buy and you will have access to your accounts. It's really that simple. And this is why it's so important to secure your seed for the long run. Because your hardware wallet can get destroyed, it can be stolen or hacked even maybe, or maybe not, or it can malfunction, which has happened to me. And then you just buy another hardware wallet, but you need the seed phrase. You cannot have lost that seed phrase, otherwise you cannot do anything. And I've looked into and used and reviewed many other metal plates here on this channel, and I do have my favorites. And why is this one of my favorites in my top 3 of metal plates? Well, first of all, because it's reusable. This is excellent for anyone who is expecting to maybe change wallets down the line, which is what I do all the time. Unlike stamped plates, which are a one-time use item, the Ellipal uses small letter tiles, and you slide them into these numbers here, into these grids. And should you choose to, swap to migrate to a new wallet and everything, and then stop using this old wallet and no longer needing that seed phrase, you can just remove this grid, rearrange your letters. You actually have a lot of extra letters that come already in the box, and then you have a new seed phrase and you can use the same plate again and again and again. This is not what you can do with any of the other plates that I'm using or reviewed. This flexibility is a huge bonus, offering both great value and genuine long-term usability. And then my second favorite thing is how easy and reliable the setup process is. I've found stamping or engraving to be messy, time-consuming, just sometimes quite difficult or complex. So very easy to make mistakes with it. And here you don't need a hammer or steady hand. You just slide the pre-made, clearly labeled letter tiles into the slots. This virtually eliminates the risk of making an irreversible mistake, like a misspelling, that can happen when physically stamping steel. It's a clean, a quiet, and very reliable way to record your seed. So to sum it up in one sentence, the Ellipal steel plate is made from durable, fire-resistant 316 stainless steel. It's flexible, it's easy to use, uncomplicated, and provide a robust way to store your seed for years to come. As with all top crypto brands, I have a discount code for Ellipal products, so if you choose to use this plate, grab the link from the description below or just enter Crypto Corner at the checkout stage to get the discount. If you have any questions, drop a comment, I'll check them, I'll respond. And while you're here, why not check out this next video, and I'll see you there.